One sunny
Chau.
afternoon,
Look at my new car.
Chau and Mau went to the park to
It's
play.
so cool.
Mau had brought something
Can I
very
see?
special,
Of
a shiny
course. Here
new
you
red
go.
remote control car. The moment Chau saw it, his eyes grew wide with excitement. Chau could hardly wait to see the new car in action. Together, they hurried toward an open spot in the park where they could play. Chau looked at the little car from every side. He checked the wheels, peeked at the front, and then noticed the remote control. He really wanted to try it. Mau happily gave Chau the first turn. Chau took the remote, looked at the little red car, and got
Let's
ready
go,
for some
car.
fun. Off
Around
went
the
the little red
cone.
car. It raced around the colorful
weave
cones
through.
and zoomed
It's
along
coming
the park
back.
path. Chau was having so much fun,
Chau,
while
can
Mau
I have a
happily
turn?
watched.
Just one more.
After a while, Mau came over for her turn. But Chau wanted to play a little longer. One more turn became another, and then another. Chau kept driving the car around and around. Meanwhile, Mau sat patiently on the bench and waited. Chau was having so much fun that he completely forgot about Mau's turn. The little car passed Mau once, twice, and again. Mau raised her paw, hoping Chau would notice, but Chau was too busy playing. Then Chau spotted a
Mau,
little
watch
cardboard
this. Your
ramp.
car's gonna fly.
The car
Chau,
raced
be
toward the
careful.
ramp
It's my
and
car.
whoosh, up it went. It landed safely, but it kept rolling farther and farther away. Suddenly, the little red car disappeared
see it
underneath a
under here.
cardboard box.
What are you looking for,
Chau
Chau?
looked everywhere,
My toy
but he
car,
couldn't
it's
see it.
gone.
Where could it have gone? Chau quickly started searching. He lifted one box, nothing. Then he lifted another,
Where is
and
my
suddenly
red
a
car?
colorful ball
There it
rolled
is,
out.
under the bench.
Chau jumped backward in
okay?
surprise, making Mau
Oh,
laugh.
thank goodness.
Chau
I
stretched
knew
his
it.
wing underneath the bench as far as he could. Almost. But the car was still out of reach. He stretched so hard that his little feet lifted
I have
off
an
the
idea.
ground.
We can use
Then
this to
Mau
get the
had a
car.
clever idea.
Great idea. I'll
She
wait
used
here.
a cardboard tube to gently
I caught
push
it.
the car
Yay,
toward
we
Chau.
did it. High five.
Chau was happy to have the car back, but then he looked at Mau and remembered how long she had been
Your
waiting.
turn.
Chau
you, Chau.
realized that
Go
keeping
on,
all the
try
fun
it.
to himself wasn't fair.
Ready?
He
Let's
smiled
go.
and happily
Please
gave
go,
the
little
remote
car.
control
Your
to
turn,
Mau.
Chau. Okay, my turn. Watch this, Chau. Whoa. It went right through me.
The moral: sharing and taking turns makes playing together more fun.
It was a bright and
Chau,
sunny
look,
morning.
the library.
Chau and Mau were on
Wow,
their way
so
to the
many
neighborhood
books.
library.
Let's go
Chau
inside.
was super excited.
Yeah, adventure time.
There were so many wonderful books waiting inside.
Wow!
Wow,
The library
wow.
was
Look at
filled
all
with
these
books of every shape
I
and
know,
color.
Chau. It's amazing.
Chau looked left,
So
then
many.
right,
Where
and
do
then
we
way up
start?
high.
Let's pick one together.
Suddenly, Chau spotted something special, a colorful animal picture book.
Oh, that's
He
a
carefully
great
pulled
one.
it from the shelf and opened it. Chau loved it immediately.
Read it.
Chau proudly
I love this
carried
book
his
so
new library
much.
book all the way
You're
home.
hugging it so tight.
He hugged it so tightly
Chau,
and kept
pass
looking
this
at the
way.
colorful pictures.
Oh, oops. Thanks, Mau.
Back home, Chau became completely lost in his book. He even tried eating his snack without looking away. Later, Chau took the book into the
Whoa,
garden.
that's bright!
The sun was shining brightly,
Aha!
so Chau had a
A
very
book
silly
hat.
idea.
Just
What are
then,
you
Chau
doing?
noticed Mau
Genius,
struggling with a
right?
heavy watering
This
can.
watering can is
He
heavier
quickly
than I
placed the
thought.
book on the
I'll
garden
help
bench
you,
and
Mau.
hurried over to
Let
help
me
her.
just put this book down.
Together, they carried
Here,
the
I've
watering
got
can
it.
to the flowers.
Thanks, Chau. You're
But
a
Chau
great
completely
friend.
forgot about the book on the bench.
A little later, a playful puppy wandered into the garden.
Then he gently picked up the colorful book and happily trotted away with it. The next morning, Chau went to find the library book, but it wasn't on the table. It wasn't near the sofa, and it wasn't in the book bag. Oh no, the library book was missing.
Maybe under the sofa?
Chau's eyes grew huge.
He's really
Where could
stuck.
it possibly be? Chau and Mau searched
It's not
everywhere.
here. Oh,
Chau crawled underneath the
has to be
sofa
here
until only his
somewhere.
little feet and tail were sticking out.
What are you doing,
And
Chau?
then he opened the
My
refrigerator.
investigation.
He checked behind the milk and even
Oh,
behind the
Chau.
watermelon.
Backyard.
Then
Let's
Chau
go.
suddenly
There
remembered.
it is. Oh,
He had
it's
left the
empty.
book on the garden
Look,
bench.
A tiny paw print.
Suddenly they heard,
Let's see. A
"Woof,
clue.
woof."
The book. I'm
Chau
on
and
it.
Mau turned around and couldn't
Catch
believe
me.
their eyes. There was the playful puppy running across the garden with the library book. They had
no, the
finally
book.
found it.
Quick, we have
At
to
last,
get it.
Chau and Mau safely
It's okay,
got the library
no
book
damage.
back.
Whew, it's safe.
They cleaned it carefully and returned it to the library on time.
Thank you, Chau.
This time, when he borrowed
You're
another
doing
book,
great.
he carefully placed it inside the book bag. The moral: take good care of the things you borrow and always return them safely and on time.
It was a bright and sunny morning. Chau and Mau were going grocery shopping. Mau had the shopping list, while Chau excitedly grabbed the shopping cart. Their supermarket adventure was about to begin. As soon as they entered the supermarket, Chau began pretending the shopping cart was a race car.
Chau, slow down.
He pushed it along with a
going
big
so
smile,
fast.
while
Look what
Mau
you're
reminded
doing.
him to go slowly
hold
and
on.
carefully.
Okay, slow
But
down
Chau
now.
got a little too excited. Then bump! Chau accidentally nudged the orange display. One orange rolled away, then another. Next came the bananas. Chau tried to carry the biggest bunch he could find, but whoops! The bananas slipped from his wings and scattered across the floor.
Okay, let's get
Then
these things
Chau
quickly.
discovered the
Yeah,
snack
let's
aisle.
go. First,
Cookies, chips, candy, and
Them.
popcorn
Yay,
looked
next one.
delicious.
Now juice.
Chau
What's
filled the
next?
cart higher and higher until Mau showed him their shopping list. Chau understood his mistake. Together, Chau and Mau carefully returned the extra snacks to their proper places. From now on, they would follow their shopping list and only take what they needed. Next on the list was milk. Chau searched left, right, and everywhere in
Wow,
between.
so much bread.
At the bakery,
Whoa, it's
Chau
falling.
stretched as high as he could to
Whoops,
reach
are
a
you
loaf
okay?
of bread.
I'm bread
Soft
covered.
loaves tumbled down all around him.
Oh,
Just
dear, my
then,
bag.
an
Don't
elderly
worry, I'll
shopper
get the
accidentally
apples,
dropped
and
her
I'll get
grocery
the
bag.
vegetables.
Chau
Thank
and
you
Mau
both
quickly
so
helped
much.
collect
You're welcome.
everything and carefully returned it to her. Finally, they reached the checkout. Chau noticed lots of colorful things beside the counter and wanted to rush over. But this time,
I got the
he remembered
watermelon.
what he had learned.
Chau, wait,
Now
the
it was
eggs.
time to pack
Oh,
the groceries.
Phew.
Chau
Good
almost
save, buddy.
placed a heavy
Teamwork.
watermelon right on top of the eggs. With their shopping finished, Chau and Mau happily walked home together. Back home, Chau and Mau put every grocery in its proper place. Chau thought about everything that had happened and decided that next time he would push the cart slowly. Later, Chau and Mau enjoyed a lovely picnic with the food they had bought. The moral: follow the rules, make good choices, and always help others. One bright sunny morning, Chau and Mau were walking through the colorful forest. Suddenly, they spotted a giant honey jar sparkling in the sunshine.
Wow, look
Wow!
at all that honey.
They both shouted.
It's so shiny and
It
golden.
looked super sweet
I can't wait to
and
taste
super
it.
yummy.
Me too. Let's have some.
Chau starts eating the honey by putting his beak in the jar. But while eating, his head slips inside the honey jar. Looking at this, Mau started laughing at him.
Hold still, Chau. I'll get this off. It's stuck tight. Almost got it. Don't worry, I'll get you out. Please hurry, Mau.
Soon, a bunny saw them and joined Ma to pull the jar out
I'll
from
help.
Chau's
I'll pull your
head.
tail.
Now they both pulled hard, but still were not able to remove the jar. Later, a goat also joined them. Then they all were covered with the sticky honey, and they could not be free from it. The small bee suggested them that heat in the sunlight, and it will become soft again. So after some time, the honey became soft.
Hello, my
Then
friends.
the
I brought a
beekeeper
picnic.
arrived with a tray
Yay,
of some
thank
honey,
you. It looks
bread,
delicious.
fruits,
Help yourselves,
and some
everyone.
juice for them.
Everything looks so good.
Let's enjoy our picnic.
I'll just have a little taste. Perfect.
After they
Good
finished
job,
enjoying their
Chow.
meal,
You did it.
the beekeeper
Yummy.
invited them for a
Let's
dance.
dance, everyone.
So they all started
Yay, I love
dancing
dancing.
and having
Me
fun.
Too. Clap, pop, pop, fun. Ah, happy dance.
Best celebration ever.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for the honey.
Yeah,
Then
we'll miss
Chau and
you.
Mau
Take
left
care,
for their
you
home
two.
with a jar of
Bye-bye.
honey.
We'll visit again soon. Promise.
The moral: working together can solve any sticky problem.